bahay. Maglalakad kami ngayon sa Singapore. Say hi. Karakalda! Ang dami naglalakad. Karakalda ba? Ay, Tokyantala. Ay, burit! Pahuli na ako. Alam mo, ang dami naglalakad. Ganda oh. May ano siguro? Field trip. Field trip yung matatanda.
Hindi ko matupad. Dapat din namin ang tupad.
Oh, taas mo nga yung kamay. Hello guys, hindi mo. Ganda naman maglakad dito, daming puno. Ang sarap. Naririnig nyo ba ang hangin, mga kapudi? Don't bite the hand of the one that fingers you. Hindi mo alam yun. Yung sinabi ni Papa Jesus, akala ko ba religious ka? Hindi pala siya religious. Ay, religious siya. Hindi niya alam yung quotations ni Papa Jesus. Mag-i-slide lang ako. Manabat na ang tricycle.
Ayoko rin yung birthday na ba?
Ay, buti ba dito sarap maglakad? Hindi ko iniisip kung walang mangyaring masama sa'yo. Ayoko na, mainit. Mainit na. Ay, wow, ano ito? East Coast Town. Uy! Ano yun? Yan na. Uy, may kaimita dito. Where are we going?
Changi City Point.
Where are we going?
Changi City Point.
Let's go. Oh, wow. Oh, so handsome. Whoa! Grade 2. Grade 2. Grade 2. Grade 2. Looking here. Oh, yeah.
Merry Christmas, guys. Sana po ito mag-buka talaga.
Guys, may punuan din pala dito. Magti-train tayo? Wow. Sige, bababa.
My favorite J-Tat.
Lakat-lakat pa. Di.
Talang 100%. Ay, hindi atin dark.
This price before, so it means become 30. Buy one, get one free.
Sige ma, ayaw mo yan. Akang panik.
Sa'yo, kasi nalisan.
Kita Mountain Dew.
Kaya ko na trip.
Balang ako. Balaya ako, di ba be? Oh, mas po. Sino ka?
Ate Shane. Hindi ba ganun yung type mo?
Ay, puto may gana.
Ganito yung mga type ng kapatid ko. Sumisikip. Sumisikip. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Sikip. Ay. Oh, saan yan? May friend mo?
Yes.
Napaka-low-key naman. Hi! Ay, ganda-ganda ng katawan, no? Ito pala si Tito Boy!
Ano mo?
Gusto nila si Harry Potter dito, no?
Ito ni Kaya kaya.
Paglakad kami dito. Ay, so safe. I love it. Sana all. Philippines.
Pa naman.
Philippines, mukha naman. Tsaka walang tambay. Ano naman, oh? Ganda. Baho.
Ako, buta.
Yay!
Thank you. Thank you, big winner.
Play do corridor. Astig. Ma! Ma! Ayun, di ba yun? Ma! Wala sila. Movie street. Mission.
Should I buy here or other store? Okay.
Ang divisoria dito. Kulang lang sa lasa pero okay.
Ano, adwa pa. Uli dito.
Hirap mag-video ayaw kasi pagkita yung mga tao baka magalit sila. Papatato kami. Right here, right now. In Singapore. A lot of Indian food here. Uy, may panipuri. Moods, there's panipuri here, Moods. Moods, I think it's time. Moody, I think it's time. Jalan.
What's jalan? Jalan.
Just walking. Jalan. Besar.
I mean, okay. No, she's taking.
Really good. Yung halo-halo. This is the halo-halo.
Ito na po ang halo-halo.
Yes.
It's mixed.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, take with the ice.
And then you have to put the spicy.
No.
The flavors are melting in my tongue.
Kamu tang brush sugar dyan yan.
Kita na muna, pinata.
Haggard na, walang pre.
Eh?
How much is it? 250.
Oh my gosh.
And then
Mm.
$2 and then I add milk 50 cents.
Sarap.
This one is $2 lang.
Sarap.
Yan,
Sarap.
on ano?
It's like mais con hielo.
Ito
lang yung mais na.
No?
Kaya ni
At saka tita na palambutin ka lang ice.
Yeah, the ice is nice. Very fine. Like, you know, it's moving.
Malamang mga tambing soup.
Ito naman yun.
This is my favorite, Genji.
Paano? Kaya may melo na. Nakape na. Yummy! Hey, what's up, guys? You know what is this? They call it chendol here. This one is chendol and this one is the ice kacang. In Philippines, we call it halo-halo.
Huemo check!
Huevo check.
Ay, sorry.
Huevo check. Papa Center. Guys, bawal na mag-video mamaya na lang. Bye!
Dong 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 di hong dong dong dong. Dong dong. We got the goods, the Irvin's fish skin, salted egg. Nakakatawan magsalita.
And then I got picana.
Oh shit! Open that shit.
Later we're gonna drink.
Right. What did you get?
What did you get?
I got 3.
What are those?
And how about you?
Workout.
Apatu.
Pagkimutan kaya ka, buksi.
Dong dong dong. Donkey.
$1.
Where go on?
Oh, buy for 4.50.
Get second piece for only $1.
Buy what? One piece for. So the second piece, $1.
Yeah, for 550 pesos.
Bali yung 5 points.
Down, 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 here. Down, 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 here. Uy, masarap kaya yung poke mo? Patingin nga ng poke mo.
Parang ayoko na ng matcha. Sasawa na ako sa matcha eh. Atin natin lang to ah. Three. 3 pieces. 200 pesos.
Bye.